Hey everyone, welcome back to Idea and Story. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. It really helps us keep sharing meaningful stories with you. Now, imagine this. You've spent your whole life working, building, and creating. You've given your best to every project, every dream, every detail. And then, one day, as you're ready to stop, someone asks you for one last favor. One final task. That's exactly what happened to an old carpenter. He had spent decades building beautiful houses, each one better than the last. His reputation was built on precision, care, and passion. But time had caught up with him. His hands had grown slower, his back a little stiffer, and his heart longed for rest. So, one morning, he went to his employer and said, "It's time for me to retire. I want to enjoy the rest of my days peacefully." The employer was sad to lose such a skilled craftsman. After a moment of silence, he said gently, "I understand. But before you go, could you do one last job for me? Build one more house." The carpenter hesitated. He wanted to say no, but out of respect he agreed. He thought to himself, "I'll finish this one quickly." And that's what he did. He rushed through it. He didn't check the details. He bought cheaper wood, ignored the uneven lines, and didn't take time to make things perfect like he used to. For the first time in his life, his heart wasn't in his work. When the house was finally done, he sighed with relief. "There," he said, "my last house. I can finally rest." But then something unexpected happened. The employer came to see the house, smiled, and handed the carpenter a small box. Inside was a golden key. He said, "This house, it's yours, a gift from me, to thank you for all the years of dedication and hard work." The carpenter froze. He stared at the key in disbelief. He looked around at the house, the crooked doors, the cheap flooring, the corners he'd cut, and he felt his heart sink. He had built this house for himself, but with his worst effort. He felt ashamed. If he had only known, he would have built it differently, with love, with care, with pride. But now it was too late. The walls, the foundation, the structure, all of it reflected the carelessness of his last job. That day, the carpenter learned a lesson he would never forget. Whatever you do in life, do it with excellence. Because in the end, you're the one who will live inside what you build, whether it's your home, your career, your relationships, or your character. Life is like building a house. Every decision is a nail, every action is a brick, every habit becomes part of your foundation. If you rush, if you cut corners, the walls might still stand, but they won't stand strong. So, whatever you do, big or small, do it as if you're the one who'll live in it, because you are. Thank you so much for watching this story on Idea and Story. If this story touched you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more inspiring stories and lessons that remind us what truly matters. Until next time, take care, keep building your life with care, and remember, the house you build today is the one you'll live in tomorrow.